Today I will talk about how to carve Barbie hairs. So I have my Barbie named Elsa. So now let's start. So first I will make her sit down tightly. So first I will show you how to carve it. Okay, so now let's start. Easily take by. Yes, it's super easy. I think sometimes I feel like I don't know how to do something like worse. But I think this should be a great idea because I love to make these because it's super great and super amazing. Why you should think it's super hard because the Barbie not sit down quietly. Look at that. Look at it, the Barbie. It just matter how the cars look like. And I think I should have like a fantastic Barbie to have that competition over it. Okay, so I need one of those little creep. So I can use my teeth to do that. Okay, tightly over here, and boom. That is the cutest. And I'm also do that for myself because it's super easy and super cute. Look at that. I made it for myself. Look. You can see like that. I'm making myself. Look. Do you see it's beautiful? Yeah, it's super beautiful. It's super amazing. So let's do the second hairstyle. Okay. It's so hard to put up. Okay. Here we go again. So let's put out. Oh my god, how curly is the hair is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's so horribly. Okay, so next stop I will do actually just do it. I'm going to do that very quickly so it doesn't gosh out. Oh no, it doesn't fall. So let's do the second, like the cutest, that's my favorite one. So my favorite one is actually just like anyone, but this part we have a little hair, so it's very hard and not very sit down quietly, so it's super hard to do it. So and then I'm going to do like this. So I turn off like that, round it over and over and over again, and that's how it looks. And so it's very easy, but it's super hard to make when it look like. So then I use one of these. Look, it's green, and I would do it like that. So it will like a squirrely, hairless, squirrely hair. So it will look like that. And boom. No, this is nice. That is not nice. Okay. I will chop out because your hair is so stinky. Your hair is so silky that I even not imagine how it is. So I think that should be not a great idea. So I think that should amazing too, right? So let's do another one. And sometimes I feel like exhausted about something how the mommy opened for me. And do you think that should be a great idea to put another contents? Yeah, I have a lot of fingers, so it's very hard to put out like that. Okay, so now I will start with like many kinds like that. So it will stir up again and again. So I would just like different colors for here. She looks pretty. And I just recognize how the many colors do they have. The dark blue. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, the dark blue. So it's actually like organizing something. So I think that should be a great idea to put another contents. So this is the hairstyle videos. This video is the topic about hairstyle actually. Not about any topics about whales or animals or people around us. Yeah, if I just pretend like I'm not really good at it. But I'm super good at it because I love to like make up and like to do hairstyle. Yes, I love to do hairstyle. Hairstyle is like about like the cost. Yeah, it's so boring right now, but I super love it. Some people like now are trying to do something. Look at it! It's so funny. So now it's just say goodbye now. Goodbye everyone. Bye bye.